In this video, I'm going to show you how to create easy animated circles. Let's begin by adding a circle to do this. Turn off the fill and give it a stroke. Then increase a stroke size to your liking, and I'm just going to drag the handles to increase the size of my circle. Now to animate it, head over to the effects panel and tight clock, wipe into the search box. Drag the effect under the start of your circle. And now when I play this back, I have a smoothly drawn animated circle to decrease the speed of the animation. Just drag the end of the clock wipe transition to extend it. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.